How's it going, everybody? How you doing? Jose here with Fit Bodies Unlimited. So the machine here is going to be the shoulder press. We have a couple of variations on here. So you have your two different handles. So you have your standard military press, as you would an overhead press, and then you have a close grip. So not really many moving parts on here other than the weight stack and the actual machine itself. So once again, adjust the weight to your fitness level. When it comes to the machine, you're gonna have a seat. Sit back into it, right? Make sure your butt's all the way back. Shoulders and back are nice and firm and planted to the back of the padding. Head back. You're going to grab here on the bar for a regular military press, standard grip. You're going to press up and then release it back down in that same controlled motion. A variation on here, if you wanted to change it up, once again, this is focusing on the shoulder muscles, the deltoids of the body. So you're going to come on here, get the close grip. Once again, sit back nice and straight. Head back, press up, and then release it down. So our standard movements, nothing too crazy with this one right here. Once again, it's going to be based on your fitness level on the weight here. Regular military press grip or close grip, sit nice and tall. Stay tuned for more videos from Fit Bodies Unlimited.